Guys, we are going on a bush to look for some wood, you know, look for some wood to catch some fire and thing. You see it?
Chicken back and rice and thing, you see it?
What happened on the menu today? Chicken back?
Yeah, so like a rice and thing with a match up in idea.
Yeah.
One bus, one goat throat in the evening, the same way.
Alright.
So the man's down there. So we're gonna see all parts.
Alright, so when I goat them there, that's a female goat, so we're not gonna kill that one there. We want the ram goat. Yeah. Let's find the starper tree there. Alright, that's a starper tree. Yeah. Alright, now I'm beer not right now, but alright. So the man that chop the wood them there. What are you with the logwood? Alright. Yeah. Enough food them, man.
Yeah, man. Just so I can serve food for the still have to look more, is it?
Yeah, yeah.
We have one bag of mouth.
Alright. So the boss over there, so I chop down some wood there now. Some logwood.
Alright, my boss.
The man, the logwood catch fire. Wicked.
The mats, man. The mats.
Kind of heavy still, but yeah. Yeah.
Do what you can do, man.
Cook some chicken back and curry goat later.
Alright, them stuff there.
All them thing there, you know?
Thing and thing, man.
Is it?
Wrong move still look out.
Yeah, man, they're heavy. That's right about now.
Yeah, good fight.
We have enough wood, so we'll go and catch some fire, is it?
Start a journey.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying? We have to.
Sleep another night. Right about now, we're just trying to get this fire going. Yeah. So I'm gonna try to catch a fire. Alright guys, so after multiple tries of, you know, let's try to get the fire light up and thing. Finally did it. So we're about to put the food on the thing and, you know the rest of it. No very thing, man. Man, stop flashy thing for my clothes.
Awesome, man.
Right now, some brown stew chicken we are dealing with. You know? Jamaican style on the wood fire, you know? The Rasta chef. Brown stew chicken back, you know? Yeah, man.
Where are we now?
Easy, man.
With a chicken
I cook
back.
for your barn, you know, dog.
That can't bring no island. Can only for chicken back, dog.
My best chicken back you go eat me like brown stew chicken back, that me tell you. Watch and learn. Watch and learn, that's our word. Can't fit. Guys, so as you can see, brown stew chicken back ready. You know, cooked on yet, but you know, we almost reached real yardman style brown stew chicken pan the wood fire and thing, you know. This is how we do it when we touch down in Jamaica, you know. Just our family get together and thing. Alright guys, so right here we have some carrots and potato, you know, some sweet green bell peppers, scallion and onions, all them, you know, natural seasonings, you know. Just mix it up, you know. And we're not adding no water until maybe in the next 10 minutes when the veggies start to cook up a little bit, you know? Just like that. Alright guys, so another thing when you cook on wood fire, you have to always add your woods them to it to kind of adjust the heat of the flame and them thing, you know. So you can always add more sticks or wood to it or take away, you know. That's how we do it out here. Yeah. There. You gotta put the muscle into it. Yeah. What kind of chicken you cooking right now? What kind of chicken? Brown stew chicken. Tell the people what kind of chicken you're cooking.
Brown stew.
They can't hear you.
Brown stew chicken.
Yeah. All right. Jamaican style brown stew chicken. All right, Chef Kaylee. Some ketchup to it. Now we'll stir it up. Thanks.
Daddy! Look over there, sea road. I'm a friend too. You're fired, eh?
Yeah. Brown stew chicken and thing, you know? Yeah, see it there? You go and simmer.
Bueno, Pepper.
You don't record it now?
Brown stew chicken. Yeah, see the dog, yeah? Mongrel dog named Rex, you know? Come Rex. Yeah. Nice looking dog, you know? Yeah, man. Alright. So me just take the brown stew chicken off of the fire, you know? Watch it. Ready. Yeah, man. Okay. Thing look ready. I'm gonna try a piece now, you know? Yeah. Thing hot. Hot, man.
Then you want me to cook health or cook dog?
So some dumpling you put in it and a weed.